Hello everyone, this is Taryn with Wonderfully Made Handcrafting, and today I'm working on day 10 of ByTheWell4God's Follow Me devotional kit. Now, if you're looking for a super simple tag to complete for this devotion, this is going to be it. This is probably the easiest tag or Bible journaling entry I've ever created, and we're almost done already. So I've glued down this little journaling card, which was a fun little scene, but then I wanted to add some more dimension to this tag. And so I took this tree ephemera. I did do some fussy cutting off screen to get closer to the edges of the tree. I just like that look a little bit better without as much white space. And I cut that tree in half so I would have two different sections. So I'm putting this on the left side of the tag, and then I will end up adding that other piece of the tree to the right hand side. So that is basically it for this tag. As you can see here, I'm just adding all the foam tape I can. But in day 10, we are talking about Nathanael and how he knew that Jesus was the Christ. And so I'm going to read from John 1:47 through 49. It says, Jesus saw Nathanael coming toward him and said of him, "Behold, an Israelite indeed, in whom there is no deceit." Nathanael said to him, "How do you know me?" Jesus answered him, "Before Philip called you, when you were under the fig tree, I saw you." Nathanael answered him, "Rabbi, you are the Son of God. You are the King of Israel." And Tom writes, it is unclear as to why Jesus' revelation that he had seen Nathanael under the fig tree was sufficient to convince him that Jesus was the Messiah. Some have speculated that perhaps Nathanael, which means given by God, had been praying in private under a fig tree for the Messiah to reveal himself. But whatever the reasoning, he was the first to refer to Jesus as the Son of God and the King of Israel. And so I just thought that was a neat point. So I decided to add that little portion of John 1:49 on this little label. Now this label is a different color than what is included with the add-ons for this kit, but it was just one I had in my stash. So I thought that fit perfectly with the colors going on in this tag. So I kind of just smushed it underneath. I would have put it on first before the trees with the foam tape because the foam tape makes it a little tricky. To start finishing this tag up, I will add a white eyelet to this hole at the top. It just really completes the look of the tag and makes it not look so barren up near the top. I also want to make sure to add day 10 using my tile alphas on the left hand side above the label. This will be in that light pink color. It really kind of draws out the cherry blossoms in this tag. And then I don't want to forget to also add my pattern paper to the back side. Now, if you've seen my videos throughout this month, I have been adding a second sheet of paper to each one of my tags. Absolutely not necessary, but it's another way for me to use the pattern paper, and it just keeps all the tags the same thickness and stability. And so that's why I've been doing that. All I do is add the glue to the back, smush it down onto the pattern paper, and cut around it. It makes it super easy to do this portion. So after that, this tag will be done. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me over on Instagram at Wonderfully Made Handcrafting. I'll try to link everything I use down below in the description if it's still available. And I hope you have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.